In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up an Exness MT5 Cent account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is go up to my.exness.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. From here, you'll either need to sign into your account or create a new account by clicking right here. You can also just sign up using your Google ID by clicking right here and then choose the specific Google ID that you want to log in with. Once you're inside of the account, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to My Accounts and then choose either Real or Demo Account, depending on what type of account you want to open. From here, you'll need to go up to Open an Account, and from here, you'll need to choose from Standard to a Standard Cent account right here. From here, as you can see, the minimum deposit will be $10. It'll be a 0.3 pips, 1 to unlimited max leverage, and no commission. From here, you'll simply need to click Continue. And from here, you'll need to either choose if it should be a real or demo account. From here, you can choose the currency that you want to trade with, where you can choose between all of these different cent currencies that you can trade. You can also give it a nickname, you can add a max leverage, you can choose a platform, and you can trade or use a trading password that needs to be between 8 to 10 characters long. Once you've filled out all of these information, you'll simply need to click Create Account, and from here you'll get an overview of the specific account with the login credentials to MetaTrader 5. From here you'll need to open MetaTrader 5 like you usually would, and once you have MetaTrader 5 opened, it should look something like this. Now from here we'll need to connect the Cent account to MetaTrader 5, and to do that you'll need to go up to File and then Open an Account. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go up to Add New Company, and you'll just need to write in Exness like so and click Find Your Company. Once that is done, you'll need to choose the specific Exness account that you have, so find the specific one that is suitable for you, click Next, and then from here you'll need to go down to connect with an existing account and add your login credentials that you'll find inside of the login or account information on the Cent account and the password that you have just chosen. From here you also need to change the server from demo to real account and just click Finish. And now from here you'll be able to use your Exness Cent account inside of MetaTrader 5. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!